Hello students, how are you all? I hope you are all safe at home. Today I am going to start the topic which is in continuation with OO Writer. In today's topic, I am going to tell you about the advanced features of OO Writer, and I am going to cover with the topic like inserting gallery objects, images and font work. So I am beginning with the topic. Text documents can be enhanced and made more attractive by adding images or pictures. We can insert images or pictures by three ways. In OO Writer, let us go through the following steps which we are going to follow. Place cursor at the point where you want to insert picture in the document. Then go to the insert menu and select the picture option. After that, choose from file. We will notice that insert picture dialog box appears on the screen. Then we will select the picture which is to be inserted and then click open button. This is one way of doing it. The second is using the mouse, double click and then click the picture icon name, select the picture which is to be inserted. And the third is by clicking insert from file button on the drawing toolbar to insert a picture. Now in OO Writer, we have some inbuilt gallery objects like images, diagrams, bullets, arrows, etc. We can insert in document as available within the gallery. Now let me tell you the steps which is to be followed. Place the cursor at the point where you want the objects which is to be inserted. Then go to the tools menu. Then select the gallery option. We will see gallery pan is activated just above the document area. Then select the appropriate group and then choose the object which is to be inserted. Then drag and drop the object to the document or simply double click using the mouse. We will notice the object is inserted in the document automatically. This is one way. Second is by simply clicking insert gallery tool on the standard toolbar. Now we have font work. Font work are text objects which can be formatted like pictures. Using OO Writer, we may set specific text as graphic objects or add specific special effects to the text, like we may change a shape of an object, we may even stretch, skew, rotate, and not only this, we can even apply the background, the border to the text. So this is inserting text and object. Now to add this, we have to go or follow the given steps. Position the cursor where you want the special effect text. Then go to the font work gallery button present in the drawing toolbar. We will notice a font work gallery dialog box appears on the screen. Then select the appropriate font work style. Then click OK button or double click using the mouse. Now we may even edit. We can simply double click on the font work text, which we will see an editable text line will appear on the font work text. Now make the changes and click anywhere else in the document area. We will notice the changes has been done or the changes has replaced the font work text. Now the last topic for today is the font work toolbar. Whenever we click on the font work bias text, the font work toolbar is displayed. And we will see there are small 8 squares which are around the text, and these are known as resizing points. And the function of these resizing point is simply to resize the object or the text to any suitable size. Basically, it is used for resizing the text. Now, I conclude the topic by few questions. So, please make note of these questions. The first question is, what steps you will follow to insert pictures in OO Writer? And the second is, what are resizing points and for what purpose we use these points? I am repeating the questions again. What steps you will follow to insert pictures in OO Writer? First question. And the second is, what are resizing points and for what purpose we use these points? Thank you, students.